Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation, the weekend edition, because not everyone works Monday to Friday.
Good morning! Welcome to your 1 minute of motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. I'm here to bring you just another quote to help kickstart your day, and here are your words of wisdom. Sunday is an excellent chance to start living your life to the fullest. Do whatever you want and forget about the consequences. Have a great Sunday. If you aren't working today, Sunday really is a great day to just take a step back from it all. Yes, you can do this any time of the day, any time of the week, but there's something special about this day. You can reflect on what's happened, prepare yourself for what's coming up, but overall, just enjoy